Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna nachos. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees F and arranging chips on a baking sheet for even crisping. Drain 1 can of tuna and mix it with mayonnaise, lime juice, and chopped scallions for bright flavor. Spoon the tuna mixture onto chips, sprinkle 1 cup shredded cheese and jalapenos, and bake until the cheese bubbles. Finish with cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. In this video, I will show how to make tuna nachos. Experimenting with flavors keeps this snack exciting and simple to personalize. Add diced tomatoes and avocado for a fresh, creamy contrast that balances salty tuna. Swap in salsa verde or a few dashes of hot sauce to introduce tang and heat. Try cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend of cheeses to adjust meltiness and flavor, and finish with cilantro or green onions to brighten. In this video, I will show how to make tuna nachos. Serving timing matters because chips lose crunch as they cool, so plate and serve immediately for best texture. Offer lime wedges, sour cream, and extra salsa so each person can customize heat and creaminess to taste. Arrange nachos on a large platter or sheet so everyone can reach in and grab what they like, and consider small bowls of toppings for tidy, repeated refills during the snack session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.